For line H, the table shows 3 values of x and their corresponding values of y. Line K is the result of translating line H down 5 units in the xy plane. What is the x-intercept of line K? So what I'll do first is highlight our question so that we know exactly what to look for. What is the x-intercept of line K? Then I'm going to go back into our question and underline what we know. So we have our table here, that is for line H, by the way. It shows 3 values of x and the corresponding values of y. Line K, that's the new line, is a result of translating line H down 5 units in the xy plane. So what I think we'll need to do first is we'll need to find H first, then we can find K. Find K. So we know the equation for a line using slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. So first things first, let's find our slope. So we know slope is the change in y divided by the change in x. In this case, our slope will be positive because as x increases, y also increases as well. So delta y, that's a change in y. That'll be 160 minus 130. That is 30. The change in x, that'll be 23 minus 18, which will be 5. So m is a positive 6. So our equation of line H so far is 6x plus b. We don't know what b is yet, so I'm going to use one of our points here to find b. That will be 18, 30. So y is 130. 6 times x, that will be 18, plus b, 130, equals 6 times 18. That is 108. 108 plus b. So subtracting 108 on both sides. 130 minus 108. That is 22 equals b. So the equation for line H, I'm going to write it here. I'm going to use a different color this time. Our equation for line H will be y equals 6x plus 22. But we're not done yet. So now we need to find the line of K. In this case, we get it by pushing line H 5 units down. So let me just erase all this really quickly. So by pushing line H down 5 units, our y-intercept will also go down 5 units. So line of K will be 6x plus 17. 22 minus 5 is 17. But we're still not done yet because the final part is what is the x-intercept of line K? So we know to find the x-intercept, our y has to equal 0. So bringing this down here, our y has to be 0. 0 equals 6x plus 17. So to find x, I'm going to subtract 17. Subtract 17. That will be negative 17 equals 6x. Divide by 6 on both sides. X is equal to negative 17 over 6. So x is negative 17 over 6, y is 0, which will leave us with answer choice D here. I know this video was long, but I appreciate you for sticking with me to the end. And if you like this video, please give it a like and follow my channel for more SAT math tutorials.